Another super speedy meal. Check for the full ingredients in the description below. When I don't actually want onions in my meal, I add a lot of onion powder, and so that's what I'm doing here. Check out other super speedy meals in the link below. I love how colorful this meal is. The taste and the smell are out of this world. After it's been cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes, cut around the edges and then slide that butter knife underneath your omelet to see if it's able to be flipped. If you can slide your spatula underneath that omelet, it's ready to be flipped. See how mine breaks? It's no big deal, you just put it back together. Cheesy, delicious, and full of flavor. Join the family. Hit that subscribe bell. See you again soon.